In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate story ideas using Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, start a chat, craft a clear prompt, and iterate until you've got compelling concepts you can actually write. Begin by heading to the Grok website in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. You should see navigation options on the left-hand side. This is where you'll manage conversations and access the main tools. To kick things off, start a new conversation so you're working in a clean thread focused on story ideation. On the left-hand side, click on chat. This opens the conversational workspace where you'll interact with Grok. Now, tell Grok the type of story you want. Be upfront about your genre, audience, and any constraints you care about. For example, you might say you're looking for near-future sci-fi that balances wonder with ethical tension, or a cozy mystery with a light, humorous tone. The clearer you set the guardrails, the better the ideas will match your style. In the chat box, type in your prompt. A strong prompt quickly frames genre, setting, theme, and any must-have elements. If you're not sure where to start, try something like, "Give me sci-fi story concepts about AI in the future." You can strengthen this by adding details such as the time horizon, the emotional arc, or the kind of stakes you want, like personal, societal, or planetary. Grok will generate ideas almost immediately. When the results appear, scan them for sparks. Look for a premise that makes you curious, a character dynamic that feels alive, or a setting that you can vividly imagine. If an idea is close but not perfect, don't discard it. Refine it. You can add follow-up prompts to shape the concepts further. Ask Grok to expand the most promising idea into 3 variations with different conflicts. Request a 1-sentence logline, then a short paragraph synopsis. Narrow the tone, gritty, hopeful, whimsical, or change the audience to middle grade, young adult, or adult. If you want stronger stakes, say so. If you want the concept grounded in a specific locale or cultural backdrop, include that. You can also ask for character-led angles, theme-first pitches, or market-aware hooks that highlight what makes the idea fresh. Keep iterating inside the same conversation so Grok retains context. Each follow-up should move you closer to a concept you're excited to write. That's it. Open Grok, start a chat, state what you want, and refine with targeted follow-ups. With a few thoughtful prompts, you'll turn a blank page into a stack of story-ready ideas.